Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders, like this one, on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. You can group apps in folders on your home screen, and you can see that there is already a pre-installed folder, Google, and Tools and Hot Apps on your phone. And you can create your own folders by pressing and holding on an app, then dragging it over another app you want to add to the folder, and now they both are in a folder. You can see they are here. You can click on unnamed folder to change the name to, for example, utilities. You can add more apps on top of that, like that. And now you can see that my folder has 4 apps. To remove an app from here, just press and hold on it, then drag it out of the folder and place it somewhere on your home screen. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.